Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by declaring intent and constraints. First, decide the XSD version and define target namespace. This prevents conflicts later. Once done, add XMLNS, XSD, and setElementForm default and attributeForm default so elements behave predictably. Then create a simple root element declaration with an empty complex type as a scaffold. This is the first actionable step. Start small, validate often, and keep the namespace and scoping decisions explicit so downstream structure will align without surprises. Now you design the middle structure. Define complex type units and reuse them. Create named complex types for repeated groups, then reference them with type or ref to avoid duplication. Use XSD, sequence for ordered children, XSD choice when options exist, and min occurs / max occurs to express cardinality. Once defined, attach simple type restrictions for formats like patterns or enumerations. Make sure to document assumptions inline. This explains why choices were made and makes maintenance straightforward when requirements finish by validating and polishing. You should add attributes, supply default values where sensible, and include XSD, annotation for author intent. Next, run validation with representative XML instances, fix structural mismatches, and tighten constraints gradually to avoid false negatives. Once passing, increment the schema version and freeze the namespace policy. Troubleshooting tip. If validation fails unpredictably, check namespace prefixes and element form default first. Misscoped elements cause most subtle errors, and correcting them usually resolves the issue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.